The Lightboard effect is a very cool but very expensive way to highlight a concept or visualize a concept that you are discussing. I use my iPad for taking notes and making awful doodles, but I've also known that OBS has green screen functionality, so I wanted to see if there was a way that I could leverage my iPad and OBS to create a Lightboard-like effect during a video podcast, and this is what I came up with. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of doing this yourself. What you're going to need is an iPad and a Mac OS system. I haven't tried this with a Windows machine yet, so I don't know if this will work without additional video capture device. I'm going to show you in OBS how to create the green screen effect so that you too can write little doodles on your screen. Okay, so in OBS, we are going to start over again, and we are going to create the iPad effect from scratch. Create a new scene, and we're going to call this Lightboard scene. And in the Lightboard scene, we're going to need to include both your iPad and your webcam. So we are going to go in and add the video capture device. I have an existing one, but I'm going to go ahead and do this again from scratch. We'll call this iPad 2. Create new. And then the device, if you've got your iPad plugged into your Mac, then you should see the name of your iPad in there. So go ahead and add that. And you want to make sure that the iPad is in there first, because the way that scenes are layered is they layer from front to back. So if you have your webcam on top of your iPad, then you will not be able to see the Lightboard effect. Let me move that back down again. There, like that. So back in the Lightboard scene, we are going to add the camera. Okay, now here's where the magic comes in. Right click on iPad, choose filters, hit plus, and then go into color. Is it color key or color correction? Color key. We're going to call this color key, and then we're going to color key it to a specific type. The color key type that I'm using is green. So on the iPad, actually, you know what? Let me show you what's going on the iPad too. I'm in my freeform note app. So inside of your iPad, you're going to want to have some form of note-taking capability that allows you to have a colored background. And in the freeform app, you can basically what I took a picture of green, and then I put the JPEG of the green picture into the app. And then inside of the app, I just blew up the green background. That is then layered onto my OBS view. And when you take the similarity slider and slide that out, it will then ignore the green of the color key type. So it blocks all of that out. And now you can see how that works.